Hey guys, Canadian Pyro. So for today's video, we've got Fallen Angel. This is by Competition Fireworks. Got 30 shots, looks like 30 seconds. And this was recommended to me. It's a lot of weight to this cake actually. And I guess it's all willows or different effects of willows. So that's pretty cool. We all like willows. So a green tail burst to a gold willow with green strobing stars. A red tail burst to gold willow with blue stars. Yellow tails burst to green willow with crackling stars. So yeah, that should be really nice. Should have some nice pretty colors in there. I really love willows. Yeah, I got some effects on the top listed across there. But yeah, let's open it up and see inside. Alright, and that's the inside. Nice and typical, straight pattern. Looks like all the shells are full. Should be good. Let's go test it out. Alright guys, Fallen Angel. Thanks for watching, guys.